In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get unblocked from Facebook Marketplace in 2026, step by step. If your marketplace access has been restricted, don't worry. The first thing you should do is check exactly what Facebook is telling you. Open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website, then tap or click on the marketplace icon. If your account has been blocked or limited, Facebook will usually show a message explaining the restriction. This is important because the notice can give you clues about what caused the issue and what action is available next. After that, take some time to review Facebook's commerce policies and community standards. This helps you understand why the restriction may have happened. In many cases, marketplace access is limited because of prohibited or restricted items, misleading or inaccurate listings, repeated rule violations, suspicious account activity, or multiple reports from buyers or sellers. Even if you think the restriction was a mistake, it's still worth checking these guidelines carefully so you know what Facebook is reviewing. If you believe your marketplace access was restricted unfairly, the next step is to request a review. Open the restriction notice inside Marketplace and look for an option like Request Review or Appeal, if it appears. When you submit your request, clearly explain why you believe your account should be restored. Keep your message calm, direct, and honest. Once you send it, you'll need to wait for Facebook's decision. While that review is pending, it's a good idea to secure your Facebook account. Change your password, enable two-factor authentication, and remove any devices you don't recognize from your account activity. Also, make sure your profile information is accurate and up to date. This can help show that your account is legitimate and protected, especially if the restriction was related to suspicious activity. Going forward, make sure you follow marketplace rules closely. Avoid posting prohibited items, write accurate titles and descriptions, and use real photos of the items you're selling. It's also important to respond professionally to buyers and complete transactions honestly. Good account behavior can make a difference over time and helps reduce the chances of future restrictions. Finally, be patient while waiting for Facebook's response. Review times can range from a few days to several weeks depending on the situation. Keep an eye on your Facebook notifications and the email connected to your account so you don't miss any updates. That's how to get unblocked from Facebook Marketplace in 2026, step by step.